Hello friends, this is Kivya Kimas of JNU Krishna studying 11th standard. I am here to give you some basic information about the organizations which plays an important role in the development of chemistry, that is IUPAC. The abbreviation of IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is an international federation of national gathering organizations that represents chemists in individual countries. It is a member of the International Science Council. IUPAC is registered in Zurich, Switzerland, and the administrative office known as the IUPAC Secretariat is in Research Triangle Park, North Carolina, United States. This administrative office is headed by IUPAC's Executive Director, currently Lennon Sobey. This is the logo of IUPAC. IUPAC was established in 1919 as the successor of the International Congress of Applied Chemistry for Advancement of Chemistry. Its members, the national gathering organizations, can be national chemistry societies, national academies of sciences, or other bodies representing chemists. There are 54 national gathering organizations and 3 associate national gathering organizations. IUPAC's Interdivisional Committee on Nomenclature and Symbols is the recognized world authority in developing standards for the naming of chemical elements and compounds. Since its creation, IUPAC has been run by many different committees with different responsibilities. These committees run different projects which include standardizing nomenclature, finding ways to bring chemistry to the world, and publishing works. IUPAC is best known for its works standardizing nomenclature in chemistry and other fields of science, but IUPAC has publications in many fields including chemistry, biology, and physics. Some important work IUPAC has done in these fields includes standardizing nucleotide base sequence code names, publishing books for environmental scientists, chemists, and physicists, and improving education in science. IUPAC is also known for standardizing the atomic weights of the elements through one of its oldest standing committees, the Commission on Isotopic Abundance and Atomic Weights. The need for an international standard for chemistry was first addressed in 1860 by a committee headed by German scientist Friedrich August Kekulé von Staudinger. This committee was the first international conference to create an international naming system for organic compounds. The ideas that were formulated in that conference evolved into the official IUPAC nomenclature of organic chemistry. Currently, the president of the IUPAC is Christopher M. A. Brett, Portugal. These are the points seems to be important. Before ending the concept, I wish to tell you a quotation that is: life is chemistry. Dilute your sorrow, evaporate your worries. Filter your mistake, boil your ego. You will get the crystal of happiness.